हैज इट एज्ड वेल तो हवा, खुशबू और धूप की तरह है, जिसे कहीं छुपा कर नहीं रखा जा सकता. That was a quote from the 2006 super hit film Krish.
Was it from Krish? Was it from Dil Jale? Was it from Hum Saath Saath Hai? You will never know क्योंकि ये ऐसा sound कर रहा था quote.
No, I have been told it's from Krish.
It's from Krish.
And to talk about Krish, with me in the studio, as always, is my co-host Urjita Vani.
Hello, namaste.
And joining us in the guest chair for this episode is... What? There's no guest?
There is no guest, Abbas. There is no guest.
He's delayed?
मैंने कहा था ना माँ, मैंने कहा था ना वो नहीं आएगा, मैंने कहा था ना.
Wow, can you check where the guest is? This is highly unprofessional. Yeah. Highly unprofessional.
Yeah, totally. Overacting.
I know.
Overacting.
Ugh.
Hello.
Finally. And joining us in the guest chair for the Krish episode is none other than Krish himself.
Woo!
Yeah. Hello, Krish. Okay, I see. The rumors are true.
Of course.
You want to do one for the front camera? Hello.
Where is the front camera?
That's over there.
You should know, Krish.
यहाँ पे.
You're a celebrity.
Me?
Yes.
I'm not the real one.
What are you saying?
Oh yeah.
Really?
So Krish said हम सब में एक Krish है.
That's true.
I'm just exploring my own Krish right
Yes.
now.
Oh.
Krish, आपका माइक थोड़ा आपसे दूर हो गया है.
Oh, I'm just retaking it like nothing happened.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not the real one.
No, you're not. But we've been told the guest scheduled to be here was Mohammad Anas.
Oh yeah.
And he may or may not show up. But we are glad
course.
you're here, Krish.
Of course.
Welcome to Has It Aged Well.
Thank you.
Did you ever think your superhero career will lead you to this podcast?
I actually have to go to save people after this. So like, can we?
Speed it up?
But to be very honest, you are saving our podcast also because Anas couldn't be here.
That's
So,
right. That's right.
Yeah, I'll
Oh,
just
that
call
guy, man.
and tell him to fuck off.
All right. Yeah. उसे ऐसी बात करनी चाहिए बदतमीज. कौन हुआ? We talking about anyway?
Yeah, this is a
Some minor Instagram celebrity
Yeah.
who we
Oh.
thought will be good for our show.
Random question.
Yeah.
But what do you think of Anas?
As a comic?
No, like in general as a person. Not that I know who that is, but
Not
like,
a-
I'll tell
not
you,
a fan.
अगर कोई कहता है कि if they don't like Anas, then
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, I just have to say for our audio listeners who are wondering what the hell is going on.
Yes.
We have a man in our studio in the Krish costume.
Yeah.
And when I say costume, I'm putting costume in inverted commas because the only legitimate thing is the mask. And the rest of it has been put together. And I have to say, Anas, no other guest has put in so much hard work for an episode of Has It Aged Well as a guest.
yes.
So thank you so much, firstly, for continuing the tradition of coming in costume.
Yes.
Because
Absolutely. I had to do something because I haven't seen the movie. So like at least starting में ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि बहुत dedication है और उसके बाद I'll just be like, yeah, yes.
Next,
had
next
not-
we are doing
Great
Baywatch
movie.
with him.
Oh, Urjita के
I'll
शौक
play a
पता चल रहे
surfboard.
हैं.
I'll play a surfboard in there. Yes.
Nice.
It's me.
Oh
Oh my God!
Oh my
In this
God.
getup, you look like a bank robber.
You can keep it if you want.
We should also do Doom in this. I think.
Why not? Yes.
Vibrate ही करना है ऐसे करके.
Do the vibration again. लगन लग गई रे. You know in लगन सलमान खान का यही step है. लगन. Yeah, he's doing that.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But let's not forget the OG.
Of course.
Again, for now you're making a
For our audio listeners,
Yes.
completely normal things are happening on this podcast.
Yeah.
For our audio
Anas-
listeners, wait for 2 weeks.
Audio listeners, Anas is disrobing right now and he's got some bondage gear under his costume. So, Anas, welcome to Has It Aged Well. For a second time, you're continuing the tradition of the Krish series. Last time
Yes.
we did Koi Mil Gaya.
Yes.
Now we're doing Krish.
Yeah.
And welcome once again for the third time. Welcome to the
Thank
show.
you so much.
Yes.
Thank you for putting so much effort.
Lovely
When you say
being
you
here.
hadn't seen the movie, I'm assuming you hadn't seen the movie for a while, right? Because you did you see it when it came out?
I saw it as a kid.
Yeah.
मतलब वो I think it came out in 2005, 2006.
2006. Yes.
So
3 years
back
after
then-
Koi Mil Gaya.
Yeah, back
Yeah.
then when you couldn't like in general go to the movie theater to
Yeah.
watch a movie, you used to wait for TV premiere.
Yeah.
जब 12 बजे मूवी आने वाली संडे को.
I'm a little distracted once again for our audio listeners. Anas has gone as far as getting an extra thumb in his finger. So when he was holding the mug with,
complete
with 2 thumbs.
Complete the costume. Yes.
That's actually not even a prop. That's just your hand.
This is I got this actually surgically
Fitted.
inserted in my
Yes.
hand. Like this is just tissue on top of.
Yeah.
That's
Like a
true.
thumb.
Hashtag men do
Yeah.
surgeries also.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Of
do.
course.
They do.
They do.
Yeah.
They're the leading doctors actually.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how.
I've been trying to do a hair regrowth surgery for a while now, but it's,
Really?
yeah.
Fuck, really?
No.
No, okay.
Unless if you had to restructure a part of your body, which one would you choose?
You know, man.
I don't actually.
I am actually perfect the way I am.
That's true. Yes.
But my teeth, definitely.
Oh really?
I would get
that's
like a
not
new-
like a. That's not a big
No.
procedure.
Yeah.
Like, but again,
You
for,
know, I'm a half dentist, right?
you're a half dentist.
Yeah, I studied 2 years and I dropped out.
Oh, I was
Yeah.
gonna ask, what does that mean? So what? You can just like tell me like my teeth are bad, but
Yeah,
not do anything about
yes,
it.
Yeah. Now you're asking me to do my stand-up routine, which I don't do for free.
Wow. Yeah, I can give you money, man. Come on.
सेटअप बता दे, पंचलाइन हम गेस कर लेंगे.
नहीं बहुत पुराना ये है यार. I say that they gave me a participation certificate, and I tell people that your enamel has dissolved and I've given you the anesthesia. And he's like, now what? I'm like, that's all I know. I don't know anything else.
What a bummer dentist. Just problems बता दी बस. क्या करें फिर इसका?
तो मतलब
पूछो
therapist
डेंटिस्ट से
हुआ ना ये?
जाके. Therapist only for teeth,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
specifically.
Therapist. I don't know. I was just trying to make
But
a
if
point.
you had to
Therapist.
restructure any body part,
My whole body. I'm not a body positivity guy. I'm sorry.
Wow, man, you really touched a nerve there.
Yeah.
You really had to go. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ?
Let's come back to Krish because Krish says हम
मुझे
सब
लगा
में
ये
एक Krish है.
तीनों क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने अब्बास को पूछा. But my bad.
Do you
My
also
bad.
want to answer this question?
Actually no.
Yeah, why even go there?
don't know, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why. Let's come back to
Yeah.
Krish. But last time you were here, Anas, you
Yeah.
said Koi Mil Gaya holds a special place in your life because
Of course, yes.
that was like a pivotal film.
Yeah.
Is Krish close or like do you have the same kind of association with Krish, or is it just one of those which came and went in your life without much change?
I remember being very happy when Krish came actually
Okay.
because even when I saw Koi Mil Gaya, I really wanted to like see more of it.
Hmm.
Like last time also we talked about they started a whole culture around it where they started a cartoon
Correct.
back
Yeah.
in
Yes.
Jadu's Planet and all of that. So I was quite glad that Krish came and there are
How old were you in 2006?
2006.
I think 8 years old, 8 to 9.
2006. I'm
You're the
96
same
born.
age, no, huh? Oh
So
no,
10
sorry,
years.
you're 2 years older.
Yes. Yes. Quick math. Hey, you're a great dentist, man, I must say.
No, but I'm asking because I know you're a superhero guy. Like I've seen you
Yeah, yeah,
collect
yeah.
action figures and stuff. Were you into the superhero culture at the age of 10?
I used to watch more cartoons at that point.
Right.
So even if I was watching Justice League, I was watching
Right,
X-Men, but
right.
it was all animated. So Krish in general was like I think it's just cool to see कोई भी sci-fi sort of fantasy sort of film from India क्योंकि इतनी बनती नहीं है.
Exactly.
तो मजे ही आते हैं मतलब देखने में. एक
There is
नक्शा करके एक random movie आई
I know,
थी.
which was
ऐसे-
a rip-off of National Treasure.
Yeah, but like fun.
Yeah.
Naksha was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Samira Reddy was there.
Samira
ये
Reddy,
सब
who
लोग
was
थे.
also there on
Ex-guest
our
of
show.
Has
Yeah,
It Aged
yeah.
Well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you mentioned it.
There's
That's why I
a-
mentioned it.
Vivek
Yeah, even
Oberoi,
Sunny Deol was here.
Deol, yeah,
He was
yeah.
passing by
Yeah.
this road.
Yeah.
The reason I asked because I was 18 in 2006 and there was this...
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry to hear
I
that.
know. I mean, I don't know why I'm apologizing. I'm like, I accept your apology. But at that time, as an 18-year-old, there was this edginess के Indian superhero. ये लोग क्या बनाएंगे? You know, there was that thing. That's why I asked you.
वो तो अभी भी ऐप में अब्बास
हाँ वो तो अभी भी but I actually saw the film last time for the first time from start to finish
Yeah.
and I enjoyed it more than I thought I will.
है ना?
So I'll come to that. But Urjita, your relationship with Krish, you both were like the perfect age at that time.
So
when
I
it
was
came
8,
out.
I think 2006 since I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
8. तो मैंने भी वो आई थिंक थिएटर में देखी थी एंड आई रिमेंबर एंजॉयिंग इट लाइक क्रेजी बिकॉज व्हेन आई हैड वॉच कोई मिल गया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं बहुत छोटी थी और मैं डर गई थी वो फिल्म देख के बट देन आई हैव ग्रोन टू लाइक इट यू नो मैं लिटरली कोई मिल गया कि इंटरवल के टाइम में मम्मी को बोलती हूँ मम्मी घर जाना बस हो गया है तो मुझे नहीं देख रहा ये मेरी हाइट का जादू है यार नहीं यार
ये असेंबली में मेरे साथ खड़ा होता है मैं
yeah but by the time Krish came I was I think थोड़ा 8 years old so I had already fallen in love with कोई मिल गया and I wanted to see Krish इतना कि फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो हम नहीं देख पाए क्योंकि मैं बच्ची थी and I couldn't go on my own तो मेरे जो कजिन्स आए थे घर पे तेजस और ईरा मैंने उनको पूछा बताओ ना क्रिश कैसी थी तो उन्होंने स्टोरी फुल बता दी मुझे कैसी थी एंड तभी स्पॉइलर अलर्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट पता नहीं था ना बच्चों को इनफैक्ट आई वाज
only alerts
only
as a kid you just are giving only alerts
so I was just happy to know everything about it and then when I watched the film I was blown away and I was equally blown away yesterday also when I rewatched it
Oh, okay.
I love the film even today
had a mad time watching it again like you were saying कि back then I remember only specific moments from it जब पहली बार देखी थी तो कुछ चीज़ें दिमाग में impressionable ऐसे याद रह गई थी like the sequence starting में और when like प्रिया को वो बचाता है तो वो पेड़ से ऐसे धीरे धीरे नीचे आते हैं like it's so romantic that whole sequence just imagine ये सब चीज़ें बस याद थी बट रिसेंटली देख के ऐसा लगे कि इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी वेल डन मूवी एंड लाइक देयर इज सो मच दैट दे हैव एडेड लाइक one thing that I really truly cherish about Indian movies is that they used to be and they still are sometimes 3 hours long and that gives enough time for them to do everything around it. कभी कभी ऐसे आप हॉलीवुड मूवी देखते हो तो वो 1.5 घंटा समटाइम्स फील लाइक कि यार ये तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गई बट आई थिंक
कैरेक्टर के बारे में मैं सब जान नहीं पाई
एग्जैक्टली एंड विद मूवीज लाइक क्रिश आई फील यू आर एबल टू एक्चुअली कनेक्ट टू लाइक characters very emotionally to a lot of characters I was able to especially Krishna's turmoil उन्होंने कैसे दिखाया है कि वो फंसा हुआ है with very very cheeky dialogues also like ये खुलापन भी मुझे अकेला अकेला लगता है पहाड़ों में and I'm like what
and also
but lovely
more importantly what I really love about Krish and Koi Mil Gaya is the innocence at its core there is this innocence where and it's not just Hrithik who has that natural innocence in his eyes Preeti Zinta also had it Priyanka Chopra also had it like you know and you see it's very natural it doesn't look forced like you know when I see some actors when they are trying to portray an innocent character it almost always comes across as naive because there's a very fine line in acting dumb and also acting or acting innocent Priyanka and Hrithik they just know how to do it like Priyanka के भी थोड़े moments छोटे moments है even like in that moment where she keeps saying कि तुम पहाड़ भी कैसे चढ़े थे ऐसे करके so you know it's ऐसे in real life nobody really talks like that but then it was believable when Priyanka did it so I really like I think that is what was missing in Krish 3 कि वो innocence चला गया था there was no core emotion Krish 3 was just about कि हमने Marvel देख लिया अभी भाई ऐसा कुछ crazy करना है
I think भाई Krish 3 तक क्या हुआ था ना कि सब establish हो चुका है we already know Rohit his son their powers so like then it becomes about now taking the story forward but the whole I think why Koi Mil Gaya and Krish specifically stand out is because we see an origin story done really well and it's wonderful how like connected these two stories were ki both how sort of Rohit grew up as a special child and similar sort of treatment was given to Krishna even though he was on the opposite spectrum where उसका proper IQ test लेते हैं
they play with that thing in the beginning where the principal is like we want to take an IQ test and Rekha as a grandmother is like why the hell are you taking his IQ test he seems to be like you know
he's
up
like,
to the mark that you want
alone,
but then they're like no we want to take it because he's more intelligent than the other kids so like okay
how they find this out also is very nice कि वो फर्स्ट में होता है तो उसको दिखाते हैं कि अरे आपका बच्चा कैसा है एंड the terror on her face is like fuck ये भी निकल गया क्या ऐसा ही like ये तो गिरा भी नहीं यार क्या हुआ ये मेरे में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या हो रहा है ये वो परवरिश क्वेश्चन कर लिया एंड नो ही स्मार्ट तो ऐसे उसने दिखाया कि ये देखो फर्स्ट में है लेकिन थर्ड के बच्चे की क्लास का डिवीजन इसने कर दिया तो देर लाइक अब फर्स्ट का थर्ड का वो कर रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली इसका IQ बहुत हाई है तो दे कट टू लाइक एन IQ टेस्ट where it's like a dark room. I don't know how IQ tests go.
It's more an interrogation than an IQ test.
It was a very weird IQ test because वो lines से सब बैठे and they're asking him questions and he's answering very well.
And now my question over here is very good that you brought this point
Yes.
up कि it's good that they said कि first में होके third का solve कर रहा है, not like first में होके 10th का,
हाँ.
because no matter how intelligent you are, unless
Yeah.
and until you study the material,
Yeah.
हमारे Indian education का तुम्हें नहीं आएगा solve करने, which is why
Yes.
first to third का leap it makes sense. Now this is what doesn't make sense. अगर तुम अब बच्चे का IQ टेस्ट करना है तो तुम उसको जीके के सवाल कैसे पूछ सकते हो? जीके तो पढ़ना पड़ता है ना भाई, वो कैसे तुम्हें याद हो जाएगा?
हाँ, तो बिल्कुल सही कह रही है ये वाली चीज़, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल ठीक बात है कि उन्होंने फर्स्ट से थर्ड का दिखाया और रियलिज्म एस्टेब्लिश हो गया है कि हाँ चल ऐसा हो सकता है. देन कट टू द मोस्ट लाइक टेरिफिक क्वेश्चंस दे आर आस्किंग हिम
Yeah.
कि बताओ अमाउंट क्या होता है. इज लाइक प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट टीचर, ऑफ कोर्स ये भी नहीं पता क्या आपको?
Yeah.
एंड यू नो हु आस्क्स दिस क्वेश्चन? It's the computer teacher from Koi Mil Gaya.
Oh yeah.
That asshole is behind kids' lives. उसको बच्चों की लाइफ बर्बाद करने के सिवा कुछ नहीं आता. He's like IQ test, yes. Allow me.
और इसलिए वो मैथ्स का सवाल पूछता है क्योंकि उसको पता है रहता कि कंप्यूटर का सवाल पूछे तो ये सारा भी बोलेगा कि अपने पापा से सीख क्या है
एक
उससे।
मैं अपने
फाइल
पापा
को-
के पापा
फाइल
से
को
सीख के आया हूँ.
download
हमारी पूरी फैमिली सिर्फ कंप्यूटर का धंधा करती है सर. कांट यू टेक अ हिंट?
और माँ बैंक में काम करती है।
मम्मी थोड़ी लेम है हमारी.
Yeah.
बट रियली फन दैट होल IQ टेस्ट हैपेंस.
Yeah.
और मेरे को ये भी बड़ा मजा आया कि बचपन में बड़ा बदतमीज़ दिखाया उसे. बड़े होके बहुत वो क्यूट और वो हो जाता है. स्टार्टिंग में ही एक ऐसा सीन है कि स्केचबुक मिलती है उसको, लाइक दिस हाउ शी डिस्कवर्स राइट कि ही इज़ अ लिटिल स्पेशल. उसमें प्रॉपर स्केचेस बने हुए और बढ़िया. घर में 2 ही लोग रहते हैं.
But there's a very funny thing where पूछती है स्केचबुक किसकी है?
Yes,
Like मेरी
yes.
है.
घर में
इसमें
2 ही लोग
drawings
रहते हैं.
किसने बनाई है? मेरी स्केचबुक है तो मैं ही बनाऊंगा ना दादी.
बदतमीज बच्चा सैसी एज फक. उसका IQ टेस्ट वहीं हो गया था. कहता दादी इतना भी नहीं पता क्या आपको? एंड वेरी फनी, टोटली रैंडम ब्रांड इंटीग्रेशन
Oh
at
my
this
god,
point,
so many
Yeah.
brand integration.
where they were like दादी मेरा है तो मैं ही बनाऊंगा ना. अच्छा बेटा अब दिखाओ आपने क्या बनाया. दादी की फोटो ऐसे दिखाता है.
हाँ.
और दादी की फोटो में इधर एक फेबर कासल भी लिखा हुआ है. वो ड्रॉन. The kid has drawn Faber Castell.
Yeah.
Of course, that's what genius kids
Yeah.
do.
There is more band integration. There's Bonvita, of course.
Bonvita is
carrying
there.
forward. There is Tide.
There is
also.
Tide where the
देखा
dadi is
very
putting
clearly.
Tide.
And I'm like, ये बहुत
Yeah, yeah,
ज़्यादा
yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा साबुन है for the little clothes that you have in your bucket.
I think brand
daddy.
integration is great. Let's talk about this.
There's
This
12,
is very nice.
12 crore rupees worth of brand integration that happened in this film. And I think that him saying, drawing Faber-Castell in the drawing was a comment on how even the remotest of places like Kasauli is not out of capitalism's reach. Like the local brands are being pushed out. And something like Faber-Castell, we love you. If you're watching this, please sponsor our show.
Faber-Castell,
But-
fuck Natraj.
हम
All
अपने
right.
माथे पे लिख
Fuck
लेंगे
Natraj.
Faber-Castell.
Hey, don't say that. What if Natraj is watching?
Fuck Faber. Actually, I love all paper
नटराज,
and pencil and
if you come on
stationery.
board हम पूरा एपिसोड ऐसे करेंगे.
यहाँ पे लिखेंगे नटराज की hello, welcome to Has It Aged Well.
Yeah.
Yes, sponsored
We'll
by
start
Natraj.
the episode with to be or not to be. Get it, guys? Get it, guys?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. No?
What is to be or not to be?
Anas का I did not understand the joke face is very funny.
आएं?
He's like ये कौन सी पार्टी है जहाँ मुझे नहीं बुलाते.
My modus operandi for this episode is to look at Abbas
Yes,
mostly.
please. This is for you people who commented in the last episode.
All the
कि भाई
comments
तुम एक
are
ही
like-
जगह देखते हो? हाँ?
हाँ.
My eyes are up here.
Yes, yes.
Yes, please
I know,
please
I
look
know.
at them.
I'm drowning in them right now. That's how I know.
By the way, Ritik does some great eye acting in this.
Yes.
Like where his eyes well up sometimes, and वो गुस्से वाला भी in the climax where his eyes go red. I think great eye
His
acting.
eye acting is more in Koi Mil Gaya.
Yeah, but I think in this one
Yeah.
also it's pretty good.
It's also
Actually,
yeah.
since you brought this up, I think his character as Krishna he walks that very fine line between. Like in Koi Mil Gaya, Rohit clearly had like a mental problem, so he had to talk like a kid, act like a kid. यहाँ पे कुछ जगह you see Krish going into like that whiny phase
Yes.
when he's fighting with his dadi.
And you know why? Because over there you can clearly see like no matter तुम कितना भी पढ़ाई कर लो कसौली जैसी जगह पे, but then there will still be a difference in your sensibilities if you haven't grown up in an urban area. Like that was the interpretation for me, because like अभी if you see movies Mowgli, Tarzan, वो वाली movies देखोगे, so the moment this guy enters the city and like you know after a few days you can clearly see him walking the talk, like body language and all, वो Tarzan का city वाले लोगों जैसे ही हो गया है. But with Krish they have ensured that he does not look or sound like any city guy. काफी मतलब वो बारी किया, लाइक द वे ही टॉक्स, एंड वो जो इनोसेंस रहता है, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स तुम अगर लोगों से तुम परिचित नहीं हो अपने एज के लोगों से, तो तुम्हें पता नहीं रहेगा कि भाई छल कपट क्या होता है.
परिचित छल कपट डिक्शनरी चैट क्या है.
And he mentions this also where he's like people my age have all gone to cities. वो सब काम करने चले गए, पढ़ने चले गए, तो he is forced to hang out with kids just like his father was. Like in a way I think that was quite poetic for me कि both of them quite find that solace in like बच्चों वाली थोड़ा innocence भी establish हो गया कि हम बस chill करते हैं पूरा दिन. And I loved in this movie, as you said, that urban life वाला चीज़ very interesting, because I think to add to that there is a lot of the movie for me was about protectiveness of a mother towards having sent her kid for a thing, and that's
what I love
happened.
That in this movie him having a secret identity has a reason. It's not just for the heck
usually
of it.
superhero movies का trope होता है कि you have to wear a mask because you have to preserve your identity because the villains and everybody can target your family members. That is the usual trope. So I really liked how they played तू ऐसा मत करना, because he has promised his दादी कि वो world को कभी अपनी powers नहीं दिखाएगा, but at the same time he's a hero starting से. He has this need to save people, so he obviously will go in, has the resources, has the power to do it, so he does that with a mask. I thought that was very quite well done.
And also I like how कि ये जो need है उसका to help people, to save people, it is not just shown in like ऐसे dramatic sequences larger than life. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में भी दिखाया हुआ है, जैसे कि his need to help Priya and then his need to help that little kid also, Christian की जो बहन है, and वो हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज़ में दिखाया हुआ है. So like you know that is a personality trait, you can't take that away from him. So that was also very nice.
All adds to the fact that you're really like trying to look out for this guy. कभी कभी सुपर हीरो सीरीज में प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाती है कि इफ समबडी ऑलरेडी हैज सुपर पावर्स एंड इज ऑलरेडी लाइक अ लिटिल अबव यू एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वाउच फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक दैट, क्योंकि ऐसा लगता है अबे तेरी लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी, तेरे पास तो सुपर पावर्स है, राइट, यू आर ऑलरेडी killing it in life. But this is where Indian cinema comes into play, because our movies are all about emotion. So here it's about frustration of not trying to get out, not being able to get out of my city, frustration of not having companionship around. जानवरों से बोर हो गया है, वो रोज चिल करता है जानवरों के साथ, कहता बहुत हो गया है. एक इनसिक्योर घोड़ा है उसके पास बस दोस्त के नाम पे. That घोड़ा is very insecure, by the way.
वो चढ़ के
How do you know he's insecure?
That घोड़ा is the worst life of any other घोड़ा on the planet, because हर घोड़े को लगता है वो बहुत तेज भागता है इंसानों से. ये घोड़ा अकेला बेचारा पैस्चर्स में, इसको लगता है कि यार मेरे में स्पीड ही नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, मेरे ऊपर उछल के जा रहे हैं इंसान. उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी, उसका नाम तूफान रख दिया और उसको भागने नहीं दे रहे.
Exactly.
वो घोड़ा तो बहुत परेशान लगा मुझे.
Tornado at best.
It's like that is the only घोड़ा that who wishes कि मैं शादी में ही चला जाता. I really want to do a Bharat corporate show. You know what I mean? He doesn't want to run into the pastures. It's actually a commentary on कि खाली जगह मिलती है तो घोड़ा, you know what I mean?
From the ghoda's perspective.
Yes, from the घोड़ा of the perspective.
It's basically Hrithik trying to like laugh at him कि मैं इतना evolve होके भी तेरी तरह भाग सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
So I think it's that.
We should do the whole episode like cinephiles only.
Yeah.
You know why his name was Krishna?
Why?
Because actually Rohit was a big fan of Lord Krishna.
Right.
But that's not the real reason. The real reason is everybody was like, hey, are you Krish? He's like, nah.
I think we should go back to non-cinephiles. I think that was better.
This is
actually it's very funny.
Imtiaz Ali gave this actually name.
Well, मैं बोलने वाला था, this is your tamasha character from your
But
reels.
you know, it's funny that you bring this up, because there is actually a reason why his name is Krishna. Because have you read the Mahabharata? I mean,
not the full thing. I know. मैंने चौड़ा पता है.
So like
I'm familiar. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah, we know it.
So जो कृष्णा की story है in the Mahabharat,
Yeah.
I'll tell you the story and you tell me why does it sound familiar, ठीक है? So कृष्णा का जो मामा रहता है, short में बताओगे, don't worry. कृष्णा का जो मामा रहता है कंस, yes, कंस मामा.
Pop quiz.
तो कंस
Quiz,
मामा
yeah.
जब भी देवकी
Ding,
और
ding, ding.
देवकी और उनके पति को ले जा रहे होते हैं उनकी शादी के बाद, सो आकाशवाणी होती है कि देवकी का जो पुत्र रहेगा वो ही तेरे विनाश का कारण बनेगा. एंड ही वाज लाइक ओके देन आई एम किल एवरी किड दैट शी गिव्स बर्थ टू. तो वो देवकी और
Exact
Classic
words.
mamas, am I
yeah,
right?
so then देवकी को लॉक कर देते हैं और फिर जो भी बच्चा हो रहा होता है वो उसको मार रहा होता है थिंकिंग दैट ओके आई विल चेंज माई फेट, आई विल चेंज माई फेट बाय डूइंग दिस बिकॉज आकाशवाणी हो गई थी.
Correct.
बट देन फाइनली जब भी कृष्णा होता है सो देन भगवान जी आते हैं और कृष्णा को लेके चले जाते हैं. एंड भगवान जी ट्रांसपोर्ट्स कृष्णा टू यशोदा मैया. ओके एंड देन नाउ उसकी जगह जो दूसरा बच्चा होता है रिप्लेसमेंट बच्चा वो उनको मार देता है कंस, थिंकिंग कि ओके फाइन नाउ दिस इज डन एंड डस्टेड. टर्न्स आउट दैट कृष्णा वहाँ पे पल रहा होता है. देन कृष्णा इवेंचुअली ends up killing कंस मामा, thereby fulfilling the आकाशवाणी. Tell me, where have you heard a similar storyline where the villain learns about his fate and he tries to change it, but it ends up reversing itself?
Krish?
Yes. Yes.
The 2006 blockbuster Krish.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So it's a very subtle hat tip. Subtle नहीं actually, काफी non-subtle
Yeah.
ही है. It's just that it's not mentioned anywhere. But then I was like, oh, that's why his name was Krish. Because I thought of it while watching the film yesterday. कि oh, very similar.
बहुत मजा आया सुन के ये. मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया
आज हमारी भी जनरल IQ बढ़ी है हमारी लाइक
if the question is has it aged well, the answer is yes.
Yes.
Yes, it has.
It also had aged well back then when the story was written of
It has
Krishna.
been aging well
Yeah,
for a
has
long
with each
time.
subsequent year
It
little-
will
Yeah.
be, has been.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Will be.
I really
Because-
love it when Bollywood movies they take inspiration from Ramayana and Mahabharat and वो ऐसे subtle inspiration. ऐसा पूरा राम और इसको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं अवतार में, जैसे हम साथ साथे में लिया था रामायण का.
Yeah, even I think this one Prakash Jha's Rajniti is based on roughly
Mahabharat,
on the
no?
Mahabharat.
Yeah.
They take these nods from the culture.
Of course,
In
yeah,
Koi
yeah.
Mil Gaya also they did how the whole premise is that Om is the sound of the universe and
Also
that's what
the-
we'll transfer.
The alien being
We'll come
blue
back.
was also coded in many ways. People were like,
Oh.
the alien being blue is also a reference to Krishna, roughly.
Nice.
So yeah.
This
Oh.
did you make this up right
No,
now?
I didn't make that. I read it
For
somewhere.
sure. Oh.
We can make things up.
30 minutes into the episode, I should read the synopsis because people then comment कि भाई तुमने synopsis तो बताया नहीं. तो
बहुत comment करते लोग मैंने
बहुत
देखा.
comment करते हैं. हाँ. It's not just about you looking anywhere. Comment about other things also. So
अनस की मुंडी अभी ऐसी ही है पूरा टाइम.
मेरे को बिठा भी तो दिया उर्जिता के सामने ना, तो आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग लाइक या
Yeah.
व्हाट्स
yeah,
अप.
मैं
Yeah,
अभी
has
I'll
it-
tell you what's up.
मैं और
Krish.
अनस हम दोनों तेरी तरफ ही देखेंगे अब,
हाँ,
बस
देखो.
ऐसे स्टेयर करेंगे.
Krish, a young man with superhuman abilities, falls in love with Priya and goes to Singapore to meet her. When he discovers a shocking truth about his father's death, he is forced to use his powers. Forced to use his powers, interesting choice of words. So I want to say two things. I think that I really like that this is a sequel in the traditional sense.
Yeah.
Like in India, we many times make sequels, but they're thematically linked or there is no connection with the previous movie.
Yeah.
This one actually is a literal continuation of the first film. And I really like that. Okay, tell me what you think about it. Do you think Rakesh Roshan and probably the writers thought that this is our one chance to establish an Indian superhero? So they literally gave him as many superpowers as possible. Like on the top of my head, I can think so. He can leap long distances. He has super speed. He has super strength. He also has a weird kind of sixth sense kind of a thing. Like there is the climax में वो scene है where like he gets an idea that he's about to be attacked, so then he kind of preempts that. He's also Neo from the Matrix because he like at once can move really fast,
You're
Also,
forgetting the main superpower.
which is
वो river में हाथ डाल के मछली बाहर निकाल.
Yeah.
That I think is not
Yeah,
talked
yeah.
about enough.
Yeah.
so. I think. Do you think that it's giving him too many superpowers so that whatever comes along he can fight it?
Yeah. I think he's like जो भी उसको चाहिए ना वो कर देगा.
हाँ, हाँ.
And I also think वो मछली वाला point it made me realize why Hrithik in this movie is the perfect man ever, because he's also the bear क्योंकि वो मछली निकाल रहा है
You know-
नदी में से.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
People who are not on the internet, let me tell you about this trend that is going on. कोई भी अगर मर्द कुछ भी fuck up करता है, so then girls ask, what would you choose, a man or a bear? Like, would you rather,
Yeah.
won't you rather go with a bear like an animal? So
And
that's
the answer is Kali Charan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Champa, that's very Champa of you.
Kali Charan and
The fuck are
Champa.
you guys talking about?
तूने movie देखी नहीं? अब्बास?
Which Kali Charan?
Kali Charan is there in the film. The
Oh, right,
वो
yes.
भूत वाला. Yeah.
Abbas his body just took a screenshot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that.
It's like, what the fuck are you talking about? This is my show. How can you talk about Kali Charan? Who's Kali Charan?
By the way, you know what? I really preferred the first half of the film than the second half. I think when he goes to Singapore,
First half
then
is super fun.
super fun. Then the second half is like your by the number superhero
Yeah.
movie.
Even the interval is exactly at that point where he arrives
Comes at
in
the airport.
Singapore.
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
literally
yeah.
escalator से ऊपर आया like
Yeah.
interval.
Yeah. But going back to the superhero
Yeah.
this thing, powers.
The powers.
Did that bother you at all?
No.
Especially watching it recently.
It did not bother me. I'll tell you why. Because usually in superhero movies, they have a whole training arc
Correct,
starting में,
yeah.
where training arc is one of the ways to show the audience कि क्या क्या power है इसकी और ये कैसे कैसे वो कर सकता है. And all training arcs have this one thing that the superhero is not able to figure out कि वो कुछ तो है कि उड़ नहीं पा रहा आज, लेकिन फिर क्लाइमैक्स में क्या उड़ेगा वो, जो उड़ेगा ना वो.
Yeah.
तो because that was not there in Krish.
I actually thought Chris Lee will actually be that. He will be the mentor and he
mentor
will train
character,
him.
right?
But then they subvert that.
But
But
it's a
that's
good
so
thing.
lovely कि उन्होंने नहीं की वो चीज़ जो usually
Yeah.
होती है. तो I think a lot of this has to also do with he was alone while trying to figure out his powers because Dadi is the only one who knows about this
Correct.
and she's like ओए मत कर शैतानी उछला कूद मत कर इतनी ज़्यादा. So and there is one kid who he bribes with गुड़ जो he's the only one जो देखता है उसे ये सब करते हुए. Rest he's all alone in this
Correct.
place where he has no friends, there's random animals. So he's really figuring out all of this on his own, which is why I feel even he doesn't know the true extent of his powers.
Correct.
It's so functional, all of this, especially for somebody living in a pahad. And they try to show this also, like Priya is like, अरे तुम्हारी ये सब powers कहाँ से? He's like, अरे मैं बस गांव में रहता हूँ और गांव में तो क्या lifestyle है हम लोगों का. इतना बड़ा PR है ये पूरी movie of the non-city
Yes,
lifestyle.
the biggest product placement was the village life.
The village life.
The village
कि
life.
पोल्यूशन में रहोगे तो ऐसे जंप नहीं कर पाओगे स्टोन्स पे या मछलियाँ होती ही नहीं है वहाँ निकलेंगी कैसे.
Yeah.
तो like I really loved how like they explored his powers through this, that it's just a journey of self-exploration. Like the whole trope with, for example, Peter Parker and Spider-Man is that when Spider-Man just came, everybody said that the superhero community denounced it. And they said, this is not gonna work. This is like a regular teenager who's a little awkward. He has no riz. He has no swag. कोई लड़की से बात नहीं करती है, बुली होता रहता है. ये कैसे सुपर हीरो बनेगा? And that is the exact reason why
It worked,
Spider-Man is still one of the most beloved and favorite superheroes of the world. Because people see themselves in Peter Parker and they relate that superhero thing to puberty. कि हाँ, your body will have changes in teenage years.
Yeah.
You'll try to figure
You'll
it
be
out.
able to throw out white liquid from your body.
Yes,
When
yes. We had to mention the white liquid, of course. Or crawl walls. One of those. One of those you'll be able to do.
Yeah.
But that was like, I think, how people connected to Peter Parker back then in terms of कि यार हाँ मैं इससे relate करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है वो कहीं ना कहीं like especially as an Indian, I sort of saw Krish and I was like, ha, as a slightly awkward kid, I was
agree.
just like, this is so true. Like, if you have to figure it all by yourself, then you're just confused. And that is also why his frustration was always sort of justified in the movie. Like, even when he sort of snaps at his dadi in the middle, कि when he's like, क्यों नहीं आप कर रहे हो? And she's like, मैं तुझे protect करना चाहती हूँ. And he puts all of it on Dadi. He's like, आप मतलबी हो. You are the reason why I'm not able to do anything in my life and I'll always be here and nothing will come of it. So all of that, I think, for me, the superpowers and everything, especially for Krish, came second.
Right.
Even when I am
The
like a
character arc
big
works
superhero
for you,
fan.
but
For me, it was always this dude's journey who knew
Correct.
nothing about the world.
Yeah.
अब आप वो भी देखो, IQ इतना हाई है इसका बचपन से, वन ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट पीपल अराउंड, बट बिकॉज उसको हर चीज़ से कट ऑफ करके रखा है, मे बी ही वॉज सब्जेक्टेड टू अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ एजुकेशन ऑल्सो, मे बी ही वॉज नेवर टॉट अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, मे बी ही वॉज नेवर टॉट अबाउट जोग्राफी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो the only thing that he was sort of dumb maybe was about being manipulated by people.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे दैट वॉज लाइक अ लाइफ स्किल, दैट इज़ अ कि वो एक्सपीरियंस है कि आपके साथ कभी कोई करेगा तो आपको लगेगा हाँ यार सब पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना
So
चाहिए.
it's a city life ना. That's the main experience of being in a city.
और ये कितने अच्छे तरीके से दिखाया है कि लाइक दे सेट अप दैट कॉल, और उसकी हरामी दोस्त क्या नाम है प्रिया की, हनी. हनी
Yeah.
हनी का ओनली पर्पज इन लाइफ इज जस्ट टू मेंटेन जॉब एट स्टार.
Yes.
Yeah.
शी हैज वर्कड वेरी हार्ड,
Yeah.
डन
उसको और
MBA.
कहीं वो और कोई न्यूज़ नहीं मिल रही है उसको, बस क्रिश वाली न्यूज़ है उसके
उसको
पास.
सिर्फ स्पेसिफिकली क्रिश की न्यूज़, स्पेसिफिकली स्टार में काम करना है.
Yeah.
उसको कहीं और जॉब कोई नहीं दे रहा. वो कह रही है भाई मुझे मत निकालो, इसको बुला ले, प्यार का झांसा दे दे. क्या ही होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
I wanted to come to that. What is their plan exactly? That we'll pitch to Star that we found a specimen in a village in India. Now we just want to bring him to Singapore and leave him free and film him.
I think they were trying to create Shabash India for Star.
Right.
And it's like वो आएगा, वो एक पॉइंट पे उससे प्लेन खिंचवाते उसके दांतों से ना, उससे वो करवाते कि बाल में बांधा है देखो,
Yeah.
ये देखो, और मछली निकाली, मजा आया.
The only realistic thing about that whole process was when जब भी प्रिया TV देख रही होती है and then हनी ऐसे in the passing she is saying कि जो बॉस है वो तो उसका होटल रूम भी लेना चाहती है वापस. That was the only realistic thing कि हाँ वो होटल रूम में खर्चा भी तो कर रहा है इतना स्टार.
That was very nice.
nothing this guy is doing.
It speaks a lot about corporate culture.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know how Star agreed to it. Star is just like एक घटिया बॉस दिखाते हैं,
Yeah.
वो दिखाते हैं हमारे एम्प्लॉयज झूठ बोल रहे हैं सबसे.
झूठ बोल
लाइक
रहे हैं.
ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट. बॉर्नविटा वाज जस्ट लाइक तुम भाई 2 बार बोल दो
Yeah.
मेरा चलेगा. फेबर कासल वाज बेस्ट. He was like बस शॉर्ट में स्टार्ट करो फेबर कासल से. That's it.
और drawing
That's all
में
I
दिखा
want.
And
दो
this
एक
was a time when there were no middle agents involved, no, like no MBA people were involved in advertising. So I also loved how, you know, I could imagine अगर ये movie अभी बनती तो one of the feedback points would be कि okay the Bonvita का integration is good, but then you're showing it as Krish giving a bribe to the kid. And that bribe is Bonvita, so we are not sure.
The
if
connotation
that would
of this integration is not
my God, the
positive for the
cinephile is
back.
circle
Yeah.
back of the
Yeah.
round.
Yes.
Yeah.
So which is why we have to push back on the circling.
Yeah.
Correct,
Can we
yes.
just show that he's gifting Bonvita to the
Yeah.
kid like that in the camera? Yeah,
Yeah.
just like annual function.
Maybe they're
school
snorting
gathering.
it in a positive
I,
manner.
I sense a sort of animosity towards MBA people, guys, from both of you who write TV shows and movies.
No, we love it. We love it. We could never clear cat, and now we don't want to after working with them.
So now we work for dogs.
कोई animosity,
Anyway.
reptilosity नहीं है.
We have to take a break. When we come back, we've not spoken about one huge aspect of the film, which is the villain. I want to come to that, and I want to get into some aspects of the costume and the whole superhero.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Aspect of it. So we'll
Let's
talk
not
about.
take break also. Let's do it right now.
Krish is losing his mind. So we'll see you on the other side of this break. Please like, share, and subscribe the video right now if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're listening to us on an audio platform, please rate and review us. It helps us reach more people. We'll see you after the break. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On A Century of Stories, Kunal tells the story of the brilliant athlete Chuni Goswami. Find out how Chuni dominated the fields of both football and cricket in his lifetime. On Talking with My Mouth Full, join chef Rahul Akerkar as he converses with food critic Rashmi Uday Singh about the evolution of India's restaurant business and the implication of social media for today's chefs. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. Thank you for making this possible.
IVM.
ये स्टार्टिंग में आता है ब्रेक के
Oh,
बाद
sorry.
वाला है. And we're back on Has It Aged Well. We're talking about Krish from 2006 with Urjita and Krish. Oh, sorry, it's Anas. I forgot. Yes, yeah. It's Anas who's here to talk about the film. I wanted to get to the fact that isn't the origin story of Krish actually him simping over a girl?
सो इन क्रिश एंड कोई मिल गया
Yeah.
मैंने वो दोनों में एक कॉमन चीज़ देखी है कि बोथ द लव स्टोरीज नो दे स्टार्ट विथ ऋतिक रोशन स्केयरिंग ऑफ हिज लव इंटरेस्ट लाइक इवन इन द फर्स्ट फिल्म वो प्रीति जिंटा को 3-4 सीन्स है जिसमें वो या तो उसको भटका रहा है या तो डरा रहा है सो लाइक यू नो प्रीति जिंटा को बार बार लग रहा है कि यार ये लड़का मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़ा ये तो मुझे बस तंग करना चाहता है एंड इवन इन क्रिश इवन दो इट इज नॉट एज एक्सट्रीम in Krish but then even over here he's trying to scare her not intentionally but then he's like काली चरण
No, quite
भूत वगैरह।
intentionally.
Yeah,
वही
yeah.
बोलता है उसको कि
Yeah,
बहादुर को बोल दे
yeah.
भूत हूँ मैं भूत हूँ मैं।
भूत
Also,
हूँ मैं,
first
yeah.
वाली कोई मिल गया में the scary was because of the Tantana guy. He was the one
Yeah.
who was responsible.
बच्चा
for it.
होता है आराम है and
Yeah.
both movies they are only hanging out with kids.
They are only hanging
This
out
is
with
what
kids,
you said
yeah.
is like that meme. You've seen that meme where two muscular dudes are like shaking hands
yeah
and like this is Rohit from Koi Mil Gaya. This is Krishna from Krish.
scaring of
Pranking the girl that you like.
yeah
Meeting her for the first time. Prank Riz.
yeah but also like I love how Hrithik in both the films even though both of them have a very similar upbringing but still both of them play different kinds of childish
Yeah.
you know what I mean and I love how Hrithik ने वो differentiation किया है अच्छे से because not once do I feel like ये रोहित का बेटा
हाँ.
है and but when I see them both of them in the frame it makes sense that of course he's Rohit's son
That's what I'm saying. When he's in some scenes, when Krishna is fighting with his dadi, he does that. मैंने बोला था ना. So he very subtly brings that in, and
Yes.
we always like say about whatever art film acting and everything. Dude, this is mainstream Hindi film acting
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Hrithik is totally bringing it.
Yeah.
And वो frustration दिखती है उसकी
Yeah,
कि यार आप ही की वजह से मैं कहीं नहीं
Yeah,
पहुंच रहा
yeah.
माता प्लीज जाने दो क्या हो गया then she's like चलो फाइनली स्टोरी बता देती हूँ तेरे को he's like okay
and also makes sense ना his frustration because आप खुद ही
Absolutely.
सोचो हमारे लाइफ में भी पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं गांव से सिटी से और बड़े सिटी और फिर दूसरे जगह रेखा का उल्टा हो रहा है वो सिटी वो बड़े गांव से छोटे गांव में आ रही है शी इज़ लाइक मूविंग अप फर्दर अप द हिल्स लेकिन जितना दूर ले जा सकूं मैं अपने बच्चों को सिविलाइजेशन से उतना
रेखा
दूर
का
ले
बच्चा
जा रही है।
पैदा होते ही रिटायर मेरी रिटायरमेंट कम है अभी से रोते ही शुरू
Yeah.
But did you think Krishna was simping a little too hard for Priya?
I think this was his
Actually,
first actual
yes.
female interaction
Yeah.
of someone his own age. And the fact that he did not know what love was, but it was sort of happening to him and he was genuinely feeling very nice. Also the reason why he sort of burst out to Rekha कि आप नहीं जाने देते हो मुझे प्लीज़ शादी करने जाना है which is why जब कॉल आती है ना उनकी जब वो हरामी हनी हैज़ मेड द होल प्लान ऑफ
Yeah.
कि हाँ सिंपल है उसको बुला ले बोल दे तू उससे प्यार करती है और शादी करना चाहती है और मम्मी से मिलेगी वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स टोटली नॉर्मल होता ही है ऐसा
Yeah.
और आ जाएगा वो एंड इवन व्हेन प्रिया इज जस्ट लाइक कि ब्रो इट्स अ लिटिल टू मच
Yeah.
किसी को प्यार का ऐसे बोल के शी इज लाइक अरे वो फेमस हो जाएगा यार क्या हो गया एंड शी इज लाइक मेक सेंस यस वी वर्क फॉर स्टार
Yeah.
इट लाइक ग्रेट एम्प्लॉय वैल्यूज वी आर
Of
गिविंग
course.
सो पूरी मूवी में वो लव स्टोरी में भी वो चलता रहता है वेयर रोहित इज जस्ट सॉरी रोहित सन is just head over heels over Priya,
I
and
mean,
she's just
the ring plays a pretty big part. Like for a brief point in the film, ring चोरी होती है, then he gets the ring
ring
back,
also
then gives her
ring
a
also
ring.
shows his this thing कि because उसके दिमाग में सीधा कि अब मम्मी से मिलूंगा शादी है तो वो लिटरली ऐसे इतना प्रिपेयर्ड है कि वो रिंग भी लाया और आते ही बोलने लगता है कि चलो फिर मिलने चलते हैं मम्मी से अभी
Yeah.
अभी फ्री बिजी हो अभी खाना खा के अब
हाँ,
चलते
तो
हैं
फिर हम यहाँ से ही
चलो,
यहाँ से
यहीं से
वापस
चलते हैं।
चलेंगे हाँ और फिर कहानी बोलती भी उसके सामने बोलते इसको तो बड़ी जल्दी है अरे तू सामने
पंडित ले
है
आता
यार
है
उसके।
फेरे भी यहीं ले लेती
ऑल्सो मुझे ये भी बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा ये बात कि प्रियंका जो है यू कैन क्लियरली सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रियंका एंड हर फ्रेंड हनी लाइक यू नो हाउ यू इमेजिन सिटी पीपल टू बी दैट इज हनी Honey is
Yeah.
playing the typical city person who
Yeah.
wants to
Manipulative,
exploit the गाँव का people and Priyanka is like not exactly she's innocent but she's also not she's actually good natured
I actually thought her character was a little dumb in this movie.
She was quite central about it.
Yeah.
Even I felt कि वो ये भी नहीं बोल रही कि मतलब नहीं करते हैं पर वो ये भी नहीं बोल रही कि करते हैं वो बस ऐसे कह रही है कि अच्छा
go
तो नहीं
with the
लगेगा
flow.
पर चल ठीक है कर लेते हैं और फिर
Yeah.
continues to
और
do
फिर
it
The
anyway.
only clever thing she does in the movie is she kind of figures out that Krishna is Krish as soon as she sees him.
Even that was like a very cool way how they figured
धुएं
out कि
वाला।
वो बेहोश हो गई है बट
हाँ।
उसका हैंडी कैम ऑन रह गया
हाँ.
और फिर बाद में वो फुटेज देख रहे हैं और उसमें वो लगा रहा है
Yeah.
आई थॉट इट वाज अ वेरी कूल थिंग टू डू कि क्योंकि उस टाइम व्हेन इट वाज हैपनिंग देन यू लाइक वुडंट हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ इमेजिन्ड कि ऐसे फिगर आउट कर लेंगे लाइक I genuinely thought that was quite well done. Even the whole कि ये मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ माँ, मेरी शक्तियों का गलत इस्तेमाल हुआ है माँ. Even that scene is twice.
Yeah.
Once from the perspective of Dadi,
Yeah.
and once when he's showing the flashback there with major villain Dr.
Yeah.
Siddharth Arya,
Yeah.
hottest villain in the Krish series, I must add. उसकी पीछे की मतलब जो ट्यून वगैरह भी है, इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार बज रहा है और ऐसा
Yeah,
लग रहा है
not
कि
like
मतलब
the villain tune.
not like that.
Not like that.
It's the Tudu comeback.
Has
Transformed, yeah.
transformed into something else altogether.
Urjita doing an electric guitar.
और acoustic बना दिया उसने उसको.
पर ये मजा आता है म्यूजिक वाइज, ये मजा आता है कि सीक्वल्स में ना दे यूज ओल्ड फिल्म का म्यूजिक लाइक बहुत स्लोड डाउन एंड सैड. तो जब भी ऐसे रिमोटली सैड ऐसे सीन आ रहा है तो और ऐसे दिल में ऐसे लग रही है वो बात.
Well,
वो
just
मुझे-
remember Nasruddin Shah's music actually doesn't sound as villainish.
It sounds cool as fuck.
It sounds cool.
As a,
Which is the big difference between Koi Mil Gaya and this is the background score is done by Salim Sulaiman and only the music is done, the songs are done by Rajesh Roshan. And I think the songs haven't aged well. I think the songs sound a little outdated for the movie that
What
it
are
is.
you saying,
But I think the
man?
background score is amazing.
धूप निकलती है जहाँ से खबर ये
Yeah,
आई
it
है
doesn't
वहाँ पे.
belong in Krish. It's
It does.
belongs in a.
It does. In
No, that's
fact,
what it is in the movie, but the movie is fairly modern, and then suddenly this 90s ka gana comes in. So I'm like, yeah.
No, but
Like
like
that.
it, you know what? I don't know what it is, but it goes very well with the mood of Krish and Priyanka Chopra's love story. The songs sound very innocent.
I didn't
dude.
like any of the songs. I was
Really?
like,
Even Dil Na Diya.
दिल ना
did
दिया
not
you didn't like. Come on. तो बोलो ना
Maybe-
बोलो क्या किया ब्रदर. आके दुनिया में
आके
भी अगर
दुनिया
प्यार
में-
ना किया
Dil
तो
Na
क्या
Diya is
किया.
the most similar to the party song in Koi Mil Gaya.
It's magic.
It's
magic.
magic. So on that level, yes, that's the most whatever enjoyable song. But other than that, I think the songs just sound out of time with the film. I thought, especially when you compare it with the background score, which sounds very modern.
तो
My
ये
take, my
that is true, but एक सेंस में एक यूनिफॉर्मिटी भी सॉर्ट ऑफ इन्होंने मेंटेन की इन द काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स, क्योंकि क्रिस 3 में भी ऐसा ही म्यूजिक है.
हाँ, because
और क्रिस 3
Rajesh
का तो
Roshan-
जेन्युइनली खराब ही है.
Krish 3 का खराब ही
क्रिस
है.
3 का जेन्युइनली खराब है. बट इसका लाइक आई रियली लाइक दिल ना दिया is something that I still listen to. Like it's
Same,
such a
yeah.
banger. Like sometimes to just like before
Pump
a show or
yourself up,
something
yeah.
like pump myself up. मजा आता है दिल ना दिया सुन के ऐसे.
मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. सरररा, सरररा,
रा रे रा रा देखो पवन भी हाँ Caught you lacking, bro.
I did, yes.
Caught you lacking.
Let's come to Nasruddin Shah. So
अभी अब्बास के पीछे चलेंगे, वॉशरूम वगैरह जाएगा ना, अंदर गाने सुन रहा होगा. शर्मा रही है तो मुझसे नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
वो वॉशरूम जाएगा तो सरररा, सरररा.
that's just me peeing. Anyway, that's the rhythm of my pee.
बोलो क्या किया.
हाँ भाई, अच्छे गाने हैं, ठीक है.
Yeah, see, we are on the same. I'm glad we are connecting on this
We are,
episode
yes,
today,
yes.
Abbas.
You have transferred your
This has been my character arc.
yes.
Last time I was Rohit.
Yes.
I was a little innocent.
Now
This time
you're
I'm
Krish.
Krishna.
Yeah.
And you are my Singapore Abbas.
I don't know what that means, but sure. As long as you look at me, I'm happy with that.
मैं ऐसे ही बैठा.
I want to talk about
अभी
Nasruddin
उल्टा
Shah.
बोलेंगे लोग कि अनस कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं देख रहा है अब्बास को.
अनस उर्जिता की तरफ देख ही नहीं रहा.
क्या अनस और रुचिता में झगड़ा हो गया है?
मैं ना अगले एपिसोड में ऐसे आऊंगा. Like I'll just look at you like this. Like अब तुम बताओ मैं कहाँ देख रहा हूँ.
You should do Kamine because that's where he has that.
Kamina I
What's
haven't
the-
seen. Has that aged well?
Lovely,
Next
lovely
episode में तो
movie.
सिर्फ कैमरा की तरफ
Lovely
देखना.
episode. We've covered it. It's a great film.
You've covered it.
Yeah.
I'll check it out. Of course I know that. But we're talking about the villain.
We're talking about a villain. I
Dr.
think.
Siddharth Arya.
So what I liked about this film.
Just who's a
Is-
closeted news reporter?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So Nasruddin Shah is hamming it up. He's really enjoying
Yeah.
himself.
Yeah.
And I think the stroke of genius this movie does is, like I said, they realize that they're going to showcase Krish as a superhero. So I like the fact that they didn't pit him against another superpowered being, which they
Yeah.
do in Krish 3, right? They knew that let's put him against this manipulative human being who's going to use the biggest weaknesses that he can gauge in Krish. And I think Nasruddin Shah was cast because if you see in the first 90 minutes of the movie, the villain has barely 2 scenes, so they needed
Yeah.
somebody who establishes the evilness of the or the presence of the villain in those 2 scenes, and then we're like, we'll ham it up in the end with Nasruddin Shah.
And you
Absolutely.
can
Yeah.
clearly see how Nasruddin Shah was clearly given the brief कि Nasruddin, don't think that this movie is for adults, this movie is for kids. Kids को कैसे पता चलेगा कि तुम evil हो?
Yeah.
तो like Nasruddin को he tried to keep it subtle so many times, but you could feel the director shouting or villain, or Ravan, or villain. And Nasruddin in the scenes where he is like talking as a reporter, he's like वो उसकी आंखें और बड़ी होती जाती है. आज के समाचार, आज पता है क्या हुआ?
Yeah, it kept getting more and more
It kept
menacing.
getting
Yeah,
more
yeah.
and more. So he kept sounding more and more menacing with each passing scene, and which is why I could tell that उसको नहीं करना था इतना है, but then director बोलता गया कि no, you have to be over the top, वरना बच्चे को कैसे समझ आएगा तुम villain हो.
No, I think Nasir is having a time of his life playing this villain.
Yeah.
I think वो भी कितना ही आर्ट फिल्म करके थक जाते होंगे, तो like चलो मैं आप दिखाऊंगा.
Also, it's always cool to see a villain who's like so confident and sure of themselves. Like
Yeah.
this is the kind of villain that people sort of simp over the villain,
Yeah.
over the hero. क्योंकि वो they're so sure of themselves. This guy has dealt with Rohit and is now going to deal with. To be fair, he doesn't know who this masked man is. तो उसे नहीं पता वो किसे deal कर रहा है. But Rohit was supposed to be the pinnacle of human evolution after powers.
Yeah.
He had everything that Krishna had, and like a genius brain also.
Right.
So the fact that human being is the last person who will manipulate everybody कि तू कहीं से भी कितनी भी पावर ले आ, कितना भी स्मार्ट हो जा, देख अपना काम निकलवा लिया मैंने, वो बोल के. And like Rohit is genuinely disappointed because what he was sold the idea by Siddharth Arya was also very कि इस तरह का कंप्यूटर बनाना चाहता हूँ जो फ्यूचर देखे, because I genuinely want to help the world, which is what got Rohit really into कि हाँ because
Right.
उसको करना है यार, he wants to save the world, he wants to do something nice.
And even while making the computer, like he has the genius to think how to make the computer, but not to think कि how it can be used for bad purposes.
Yeah.
वो भी उसको तभी realize
वो
होता है
थोड़ा-
जब भी वो अपनी death देखता है उसमें.
But the password thing was genius in that
Password thing
sense.
was
But
genius,
isn't
yeah.
that didn't that seem more of a plot device? कि we need something to hold the climax. So we'll keep this thing where Rohit is.
I feel it's a
the
plot
fact
device that
वो
works.
उसकी आंखों से खुल रहा है, जो कि आज हम अपने phones खोलते हैं. मुझे I really wanted to know कि वो technology थी क्या तभी.
See, but it was not as common as.
It was
But in
not as
sci-fi
much,
movies we used to see things
Yeah,
like
yeah,
retina
yeah.
scan for example.
Yeah.
Mission Impossible में हमने देखा थी ये चीज.
Minority
sci-fi नहीं.
Report में भी है.
Minority Report में
But
तो
retina scan, was that a thing? Like
yeah,
for
yeah,
real?
but it was
there क्या?
it was for like really White House level places, not in our phones.
Yeah.
बट हार्टबीट वगैरह वो जितना भी उन्होंने दिखाया यूजुअली इस तरह की मूवीज में ना दे डोंट पे अ लॉट ऑफ अटेंशन टू द डिटेलिंग ऑफ व्हाट दे आर शोइंग. सो one of the things I loved about this computer of future का set design was that whole slab, glass slab in the middle.
Yeah.
That looked so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Hover कर रहा है.
Yeah.
उस पे when like he's doing those graphics also they looked really
वो
really
ये
nice
सब
even
वो सब
back
कर
then.
रहा है, yeah.
और उस पे मैं ऐसे पॉज करके पढ़ भी रहा था क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है. सो इट्स एक्चुअली द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस कंप्यूटर यू नो राइट कि कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे बनाएंगे हम कि वील कंबाइन द पावर ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमी,
Astrology
एस्ट्रोलॉजी
and technology.
and technology together. So that tablet itself had like a bunch of references to this is how we calculate the speed of and this is how time calculate करना है.
Yeah, yeah.
तो I think even back then it wasn't like लोग pause करके देख सकते हैं कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Correct. Yeah,
But the
still
fact
it's
that you're
there.
paying
Yeah,
so much
yeah,
attention to it,
Yeah.
like the VFX was quite well done in
Yeah,
many
yeah.
many places.
Yeah.
I agree.
तो बहुत मजे आए.
VFX I think I don't know ये मूवी का भी किया था कि नहीं, but Krish 3 का मैंने देखा Red Chillies ने किया था.
This is some
No,
other
this is
studio.
another
some
studio.
other,
I
yeah.
I don't think Red Chillies was as big at this point. As,
Yeah.
Maybe.
as it was back
UFX type
2011.
इस तरह का कुछ नाम है
Yeah,
इनके
yeah.
visual effects studio
Please
का.
correct us in the comments like you people do.
I had a
मुझे ये भी नहीं
question
पता.
about the machine. I had a question about the machine.
Yes.
So like this is just like a question that I thought of कि do you think अगर future की machine बनती या बनेगी, do you think वो तुम्हें text में बताएगी क्या होने वाला है या footage दिखाएगी? Because I think the future machine telling you what is going to happen in text is still थोड़ा more feasible than like it showing you actual footage. और
Yeah.
footage हुआ भी तो भी वो AI होगा. It
हाँ,
won't
but
be
that's what no everything starts with text, then it eventually evolves into video. That's
Video.
what happening with AI also right now.
Yeah.
Even that's what I thought when I saw the computer working for the first time. कि
Yeah.
this is the future is quite well shot.
yeah.
The future has the right
Rakesh Roshan
angles.
camera angles.
Yeah.
मेरा सारा future is directed by Rakesh Roshan.
Yeah.
That's gonna be lovely.
That's gonna be lovely.
मेरी माँ का लो एंगल शॉट आ रहा है कि तू फिर लेट हो गया.
Did you? I mean, I felt so. The villain was good, but at no point did he feel like a
Threat.
threat to Krish.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
He did.
ऐसा कभी नहीं
He's
लगा कि
saying the
villain हरा
villain
देगा.
didn't feel like a threat. That's what.
विलेन हरा देगा क्रिश को, ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा. In fact, they go
अच्छा, oh,
to
that way, okay,
establish that जब वो फ्यूचर देख लेता है खुद को मरते हुए, and he keeps seeing that, so we kind of know the climax a good half an hour before it actually happens,
Yeah,
and they don't really
yeah.
actually change it. So I thought that was one little thing where even though
I think they could have done more with
Yeah,
कि और मुश्किल बना देते. Like if you see like Mad Max Fury Road, I don't know if you've seen.
yeah.
But उसमें end तक you can't tell कि यार ये
Correct.
कैसे कर पाएंगे यार.
हाँ.
How will they win? How
Okay,
will it happen?
How about this? What if Krish के सामने रोहित को मार देते? Do you think that would have been more effective?
Effective for what?
Effective for the emotional quotient. कि like just for Krish to like break down once.
If that would have happened somewhere around the interval point, I would see the point. But climax में मारना is just you're further traumatizing Krishna for no reason. Now you've given him hope that his father is alive.
Yeah.
Then why are you traumatizing him even
Then
further?
it definitely would have felt like just a plot device
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
उसके
yeah.
बाप को लाए थे ताकि उसको और
हाँ,
इमोशनली हाइटेंड कर दे और फिर मार दो.
मार दो, हाँ. Right. So,
Like
wouldn't
it's a
have worked
spoiler
me.
for Krish 3 also.
Oh really?
Yeah. But
By the way, were
not
you
getting
guys
into that
shocked
spoiler.
when you found out that Rohit was alive in the movie? Because I didn't know this for the longest time.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah?
I was.
I was,
First
yeah.
time I saw it, I was
हाँ.
just like, damn.
And also the way ऐसा भी नहीं कि उसको किसी कोठरी में बंद करके खाना खिला रहे, नहीं, उसको वो फ्लोट कर रहा है. He's a
हाँ.
flotation device.
Or this thing I genuinely felt was so well done because they start this by misdirecting the villain.
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग में मिस्टर सिन्हा आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ उनका नाम होता है एंड ही इज गोइंग अराउंड आस्किंग
शरद
द
सक्सेना,
फादर.
yeah,
शरद सक्सेना इज आस्किंग द फादर कि
Yes.
आई रियली वांट टू गेट टू नो वेयर दे आर
And
कि
we
मैं
just
कोई भी
think
प्राइज दे दूंगा.
He wants to kidnap him.
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली वी थिंक ही इज द बैड
Yeah,
गाय.
yeah.
सो दैट वाज अ क्रेजी मिसडायरेक्शन
Agreed. Yes.
एंड इट डजंट लाइक रिजॉल्व टिल द पॉइंट कि वो क्रिश्चियन को वो दे देता है कि तू मास्क एक्सेप्ट कर ले और पैसे मिल जाएंगे, बहन का इलाज करा ले. और उसमें टीवी में दिख रहा होता है कि टीवी में इट्स जस्ट क्रिश्चियन एंड फॉर सम रीजन टीवी में इट्स कटिंग टू कृष्णा एंड प्रिया.
Yeah.
और जस्ट लाइक ये दो लोगों का इंटरेक्शन. शरद इज लाइक अरे इसी को तो ढूंढ रहा हूं. सो दैट्स व्हेन दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग कि अरे मत जा यहाँ से, मत जा. बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट इज लाइक मैं तो प्यार करने आया था. उसको सच पता चल जाता है कि ये लोग तो मेरा फायदा उठा रहे हैं. इज क्राइंग, ही इज अबाउट
Also,
टू
Sharad
लीव.
Saxena is such a great person to play this role because he's the only, I think, one of the very few villains who can pull off being the nice guy and the
Yeah.
bad guy in the
Yeah.
same film. Like in Badshah, like I don't, not a great example, but in Badshah also, मतलब he starts off as a bad guy. You have watched, of course, you love Badshah.
मैं तो हूँ पागल.
He starts off as a bad guy and then suddenly मैं तो हूँ पागल. Just you show him doing random things.
शरद सक्सेना हैज
the
those
goofy
dad
uncle energy.
द वन ऑफ दोज डैड फेसेस कि आप लगे नमस्ते वमस्ते करोगे तो थप्पड़ मार देंगे. लेकिन बहुत स्वीट है एक्चुअली.
बहुत sweet
अरे
है.
बेटा क्या चल रहा
Yeah,
है.
yeah. अगर आपकी फैमिली तकलीफ में तो हेल्प भी कर देंगे.
हाँ,
पर
sweet
फिर
uncle.
थप्पड़ मारेंगे कि ओए साले तूने कुछ किया क्यों नहीं.
बट वाइब उनकी थोड़ी ऐसे ऑफ है कि यार
Yeah.
ये थोड़े थ्रेटनिंग लग रहे हैं.
Isn't he also in Bagban? He takes care. He's the caretaker for Amitabh's bungalow or something. The
That's
guy
Paresh
who-
Rawal, no?
That's
No?
Paresh Rawal? No, he's the guy
No,
who
Paresh
gives
Rawal
परेश
is,
रावल तो कैफे
the
चलाता
guy
है
who
और
gives
अंकलों
his
के साथ नाचता है.
keys to. I think that's Sharad Saxena. Maybe I'm wrong. But I want to talk about the costume. Do you like the Krish costume?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like that they don't give him a cape. It's a overcoat but flowy enough that
Yeah,
it looks cool.
it resembles a cape.
And I like that it's black because I think the color palette of Koi Mil Gaya and Krish is colorful enough that black stands out. So
And also the fact that there is the reason behind everything. वो मास्क भी ऐसी रैंडमली
हाँ,
उसने बनाया
हाँ.
नहीं है. टूटा हुआ कुछ तो उसको
Bombay
दिख गया.
service में.
हाँ.
वो उसने ले लिया. फिर
Yeah.
जैकेट का भी कैसे नहीं, सेम
Reverse कर
जैकेट
लिया.
यूज करेगा, उल्टा यूज करेगा. एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट वो उसके डैड की जैकेट है. सो देयर इज मोर इमोशनल वैल्यू ओवर
Yeah,
देयर.
yeah.
द ओनली थिंग दैट डज
Absolutely.
नॉट मेक एनी सेंस टू मी इज ये मास्क का टूटा हुआ जो भाग है, ये जिससे फिट होगा वो क्रिश है. दैट आई फील वाज लाइक कि भाई प्लास्टिक का मास्क है. not that big a deed for people
Yeah,
to
I'm
figure.
surprised there were no more takers of
Exactly.
कि हाँ मेरा ही है actually, yeah, मैं
Exactly.
बाल कटवाली.
And also, like, you could just ask the person to do the kalabazi in question rather than just imagine actual Krish coming in and trying to identify himself कि देखो मैं उड़ सकता हूँ, मैं ये सेम चीज जो वहाँ पे की लिटरली करके दिखाए. नहीं, पर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नहीं है, आधार नहीं है आपके पास, आधार कार्ड
The
नहीं
mask
है.
doesn't fit. Sir, आप
Mask doesn't
Cinderella
fit,
है
sir.
हमारा पूरा logic, sir.
Yeah,
Please, आपका
exactly.
पैर
Oh
नहीं fit
yeah,
हो रहा.
Cinderella. Oh yeah, yes.
This is actually Disney को उन्होंने वो दिया है.
Yeah.
Yeah, cinephile.
Cinephile.
But a cool enough costume that it made a dent in the merchandising. I think that I could see.
Yeah, it stands out
Krish,
also in
Krish
all
action
superheroes.
figures, Krish water bottles.
It's pull-offable
Krish
by people who
rubbers.
don't have to buy actual costumes also. Like it's, I think that's the best part. And you're right. The best part of it is कि वो लगता है कि he has come up with it because exactly in that moment because he want to genuinely hide his identity.
Yeah.
Not like he drew it and he made it and he wanted to be a superhero.
Yeah.
As the synopsis also said, forced to use his powers.
Yeah.
So in that moment कि वो आधा मास्क लगा लूँ वो लगा लूँ तो
And
वो
also
उसको
the
समझ
fact
में
that
आया.
even though you had seen the masked Krish in posters and all, you don't see that coming when you see that mask in it. Like वो जो जिस मास्क से उसको बनाता है वो Krish का मास्क, वो पहले तो पूरा रहता है ना. So you see that in the beginning of Dil Na Diya also on people, on Christian. वो जब भी दिखाता है hello
Yeah,
बोलता है.
yeah,
So you see that, of course you don't see that coming. So that also, that little detail I also really like.
बहुत मजे आए. That whole thing of Siddharth Arya not feeling like an enough threat. I also felt that throughout the movie, which is why I think the only thing he could have sort of done to really get into Krish's head was to like put these people on the spot who he really
Right.
cared about.
Yeah.
And he's like, my only superpower is that now I've seen the future, तो अब आ जा तू.
Right.
I think he could have easily avoided dying by not being a smug motherfucker.
Yeah.
But he was
But then
just like,
how
अब
would
तो
he
मैंने
be-
फ्यूचर भी देख लिया, होगी तेरे पास पावर, होगी तेरे पास
Yeah.
ये, पर अब तो नहीं मार सकता.
Also, this movie has another trope where the lead, the main actor, he tries to hide his identity from the girl by simply altering his face in one way. जैसे रब ने बना दी जोड़ी में मुंह उतार देता है, वैसे इसमें मास्क लगा देता है. Even though the eyes are visible, do you think your girlfriend would be able to recognize you in a mask?
No.
She will be.
Yes, she will.
Yeah.
Just disagreeing. Because if Abbas would have said this, I would have said absolutely Abbas. I love
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
But
So,
yeah, she would.
she would, right?
और उसकी तो आंखें इतनी प्यारी हैं ऋतिक की है.
Exactly.
और आफ्टर लाइक दैट होल बॉम्बे सर्कस की फायर एंड वो बच्ची को छोड़ने भी उसी के पास आएगा, प्रिया के पास, और वो वहाँ भी टेंशन है, ऐसे पीछे जा रहा है. लाइक मैं तो पानी लेने गया था तुम्हारे लिए, क्या हो गया यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
तो इज जस्ट लाइक इसको क्या पता चलेगा.
और ऐसा भी नहीं ना कि उसका बॉडी फ्रेम बड़ा जेनेरिक सा है कि दूसरे उसका क्वाइट अलग बॉडी
Yeah,
फ्रेम
but that's like the oldest joke in the book, no? That Superman puts on glasses
Glasses,
and nobody
Clark Kent.
recognizes him. Yeah. So yeah. Anything else, guys? Final thoughts on Krish?
यार काफी थॉट्स है, रुको एक मिनट.
Time नहीं है.
टाइम नहीं है.
फॉर फिनाले ऑफ द थॉट्स,
Yes.
थॉट ट्रेन
Finale.
चलाते हैं एकदम, एक एक करके सारे थॉट बता दे.
Uh,
Shout out to I again forgot his name. I don't want to
one fun
take his
fact.
wrong name.
One fun fact about the film कि ओके सो ये मैं क्विज का पार्ट करने वाली थी, बट दो सवाल उसमें से हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर दिए. बट यू नो व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट द ग्लासेस दैट रोहित इज वेयरिंग in Koi Mil Gaya and
But this
also
is a
in
Koi
Krish.
Mil Gaya trivia.
No, but in Krish also he's wearing.
Yeah, I
the
think
glasses.
you've asked in the Koi Mil Gaya episode also.
Have
if
I?
I'm not
कहो ना
wrong.
प्यारे
कहो
में
ना
यूज
प्यारी,
किए थे
मैंने
वो
पूछा था
glasses.
क्या? Oh shit, sorry. My bad.
You gave yourself a prequel.
Yeah. Yeah.
एक फ्लैशबैक तूने खुद को दिया है.
Oh shit.
मजे
It
आ
was a
गए.
reboot.
It was a re.
It was a reboot.
It was a boot read.
used again.
Yes.
What's the
Yeah.
second question?
Question नहीं वो दोनों
Oh,
हो
अच्छा.
हो चुका है ऑलरेडी.
मैं बताऊं एक तेरे से पहले.
बता.
The dude who played teenage Hrithik, Mickey Dhamejani, his name is. These days, you know what he's doing?
What?
He's an eye surgeon.
What?
Really?
So he does LASIK surgery for people. He's turned to be the real life Jadoo. That's so lovely.
Nice.
Yesterday
Why
I
are you
saw
so
him-
shocked? It's
I
okay,
don't
man.
Yesterday I saw his
People can grow up
IMDb.
to be
I just
doctors.
randomly searched on Facebook. और उसके ऐसे वीडियोस पड़ी हुई वेर इज लाइक अरे लेसिक करा लो बेस्ट होता है.
So he's actually using his acting talent, but for his practice.
I think he's pushing Jadu's propaganda really
Yeah,
well. He's
totally.
like वो वाला scene करना है आ जाओ सिर्फ 1 लाख रुपए.
I was a little disappointed Jadoo didn't show up in the film. Like in the end, when Rohit is doing the Om, I was like, Jadoo might show
हाँ
up.
देख जादू
But
ऊपर से
he's just like,
Jadu's just like
yeah.
bye ऐसे ऊपर से yo
And
guest.
oh, that scene made me very emotional because Rohit, in his classic Rohit style, said, "Thank you, Jadoo. Thank you."
Thank you Jadu.
And like Jadoo, technically Jadoo didn't actively do anything in the film, but still he thanks him because he's like, because of you.
तू नहीं होता तो मेरे
जादू किसी और प्लेनेट पे छुट्टी पे जा रहा था इसलिए अरे बुला रहा है इसलिए क्या हाँ श्योर यू आर वेलकम
Yeah,
एंड जस्ट
You're
ड्रोव
welcome,
ऑफ.
Yeah. Jadoo is like, that's my passive income right there.
जादू की
में
रोहित
भी
जादू की
capitalism.
एफडी है.
हर 3 साल में इंटरेस्ट देती है.
Cool. So Krish was the second highest grossing film of 2006.
Damn.
You guys want to take a guess on what the highest grossing film of 2006 was? So interesting fact,
तेरे नाम
4 out of the top 5 films this year, Hindi films, were either sequels or prequels.
Oh,
in 2006.
Yes. You want to take a guess what the highest grossing film was?
Chak De.
No,
Chak
it's
De India
also
was
a
7 or 8.
franchise.
Yeah. Oh, it was
Give a
franchise.
hint. What
Oh, दूसरा hint
genre
दूंगा
of
तो you'll know it.
what genre of franchise?
Okay, Hrithik is also in this movie.
Dhoom. Oh yeah.
Not Doom.
What?
Doom 2 नहीं है.
Doom 2.
I meant Dhoom 2 only.
Number
yeah.
2 is Krish. You want to take a guess on what number 3 is? That is also a franchise.
There's also a franchise.
Yes. But it's like, it's revered as a very, like a very good film.
So you are saying the other
Not
two-
like adventure franchise. It's a feel good franchise.
Feel good franchise.
Yes.
भूतनाथ.
No.
Give a hint.
तीसरे नंबर थर्ड हाईएस्ट ग्रोसिंग फिल्म थोड़ी होगी है.
पता नहीं मैं तो ऐसे ही guess मारा.
Franchise है तो वीर
Okay,
ज़रा
so
तो नहीं है.
The Expose by Himesh Reshammiya.
no.
That was
वीर ज़रा
2011.
2006 में आई थी.
Franchise कैसे है?
I know वो है नहीं, which is why I was like.
It's like the hero and his sidekick are equally famous.
मुन्ना भाई.
Yes, like
Yeah.
Munna Bhai is number 3. Number 4 is an infidelity drama.
Oh, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Yes. And number 5 is a remake of a classic 70s movie.
गोलमाल.
No.
गोलमाल 2.
It's again
Golmaal
in the
3.
action space.
In the action space. It's
Yes.
a remake of a classic 70s.
It's very cool looking.
Did we like the film?
We did.
Which
एक
number
और
of
hint
episode was
दूंगा.
it?
एक और hint please, एक और hint यार.
It has one of the big 3 Khans.
सलमान खान
No.
है, शाहरुख खान.
Give up.
आमिर की कोई 2006 में साथ में आई थी
It's
तारीख.
surprising. It's like one of the defining movies of this Khan.
ए यार, this is very difficult.
Dawn, guys. Dawn.
Oh.
Dawn was the 5th highest grossing film of 2006. Yeah. Rang De Basanti was number 7.
Dawn you guys
Fana
have
was
done?
number 6.
Yeah,
we've
yeah,
done- We've done
Dawn
Dawn.
you have done. Both Dawns. you have
Bagban
done.
you've done?
No.
No,
I'm
we
just
haven't.
like booking for the next
Wanna do
episode
Bagban?
already. Bagban?
Yeah.
Let's do
उसके लिए
Bagban.
क्या बन के आएगा?
Let's do Bagban. परेश
उसके
रावल.
लिए उसके लिए एक बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा बन के बेटा बन के आएगा. तो अरे पापा दूसरे रूम में जाओ.
For that I'll play a typewriter.
Let's do the categories very quickly. So
Yes.
Anas, from Krish, what do you think has aged the best and what hasn't aged so well?
I think what has aged the best is पहले उर्जिता बताएगी.
What has aged the best according to me? I think it's the music.
Really? The best?
Music, the choreography. Like the
Okay.
little details in the music. जैसे कि अभी for example that one whole scene where फूल तितली और कलिया और उसमें वो butterfly का powder rub करके उसकी गाल पे लगाता है. That was so crazy.
That's the best thing that is the best.
फूल तितली
बस
और
don't be
कलियां.
so condescending.
I'm not, I'm just confirming
I'm coming
with
to it. ये
फूल
वो
तितली-
पॉइंट था जो मैं तभी ले नहीं पाई इसलिए मैं अभी ले रही हूँ through this.
Okay.
ठीक है. So वो वाला I don't know if it has been done by any film before but मेरे लिए तो यही ओरिजिनल है. मैंने मार्वल वगैरह नहीं देखा था तभी. तो अभी भी नहीं.
मार्वल तब तक चालू नहीं हुआ था. 2008 में आया.
हाँ बट मैं इन जनरल इंग्लिश मूवीज तभी नहीं देखती थी. So for
मार्वल
me,
मतलब MCU वरना लिखोगे मार्वल कॉमिक्स तो 60s से.
so for me that so You said like a जननी मैंने तबलीगी मैं will come
जब देखो तब कमेंट करते हैं तो मेरे पे मैं कुछ बोलता नहीं हूँ किसी को तो
अच्छा है किसी ने कल कहा 80 एपिसोड हो गए रिसर्च करना कब शुरू करो
मैंने देखा जिस कमेंट में अब्बास की तारीफ होती है ना वही लाइक करता है हैज इट इज वेल के पेज से
Why would I like the comment which is dissing me?
तो
पर
मेरा
वही तो मजा आएगा
but
इसलिए
मेरे वाले भी लाइक कर सकता है
हाँ तेरे भी करता हूँ जो भी कर
अच्छा।
वो वाला भी लाइक
तू
किया
देख
था
रही है मेरे को कौन कौन से
कि ये
like कर
साला
रहा हूँ।
उर्जिता को देखता रहता है वो वाला भी लाइक किया है लाइक हाँ तू साले वापिस आ
And what
वो
hasn't
अब्बास
aged?
ने कमेंट किया है
That was me guys.
That would be a crazy plot twist.
Anas is not looking at me. How dare
किसी
he?
को और प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी अब्बास को प्रॉब्लम थी बट
No, Anas actually privately messaged me कि next time I will look at you. I was like, okay.
या आई डिड बिकॉज़ आई वाज लाइक मैं तो मतलब ऐसी बस बात कर रहा था ऐसा क्यों हो गया
But no,
बुरा
what
लगा।
has aged the best for me that
Yeah.
I think the script is very well done.
Agreed,
I
yeah,
think जो भी उसको criticism मिला रोशन जी को कि you know आपकी फिल्म ओरिजिनल नहीं है ईटी से कॉपीड है
वो तो कोई मिल गया
हाँ कोई मिल गया के लिए so which is why in Krish he's like कि तुम रुको सालो अब मैं
कोई मिल गया में भी
दिखाऊंगा
काफी इंस्पिरेशंस हैं वैसे मैट्रिक्स स्पाइडरमैन टार्जन
वही तो like he wanted to give it back to all the haters.
राइट
So अच्छा you are saying Krish में काफी inspiration है. You said
हाँ।
कोई मिल गया so I got
कोई मिल गया
confused.
मे बी है बट
कोई
आई
मिल गया
लाइक
maybe है,
बोथ द फिल्म्स
बट या
Yeah.
आई स्टिल लव
I
I think-
actually genuinely think Indianizing a Western concept is a skill.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
So then the script, I think it has aged the best. I really, even today, I think it holds up. And I think the technology is really good. Like, not for once did I feel like, what is this rubbish? In fact, I felt, you know, what if? what if? ऐसा हो जाए आगे जाके.
ट्रू ट्रू
So-
ट्रू
In the future computer.
yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
okay.
So I really liked it.
Do you have an answer?
yes I have now I think what has aged well great is the movie I love it so much I will watch it again
Okay.
it was a really really good watch the action sequences everything was so well done just like visual memory of गुंडों से पीट रहे हैं ऊपर कैमरा लगाया हुआ है he jumps
हाँ।
looks at the camera falls back which by the way he hurt his back doing
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
He hurt quite a bit himself quite a bit while
मजा आता है देख के कि अरे लग गई अरे शिट ठीक हो आप ऋतिक आप कैसे हो
और मैंने कहीं
Like
पे
मैं
तो पढ़ा
ठीक
30th फ्लोर से वो गिरा था ना हम तू
30
जिंदा
feet,
कैसे
30 feet.
30
He fell,
feet से
हाँ।
30 feet से तो जिंदा कैसे है भाई ये कैसे
हाँ, और
So
वो
the-
कमर के बल
So
बढ़िया
the
गिरा।
story goes that it rained the previous day, so the crew had put like a tarpaulin type
Yeah.
thing. So luckily he fell on to that.
Yeah,
Otherwise
the
it would have
wire
been-
sort of broke or something like that happened.
otherwise he would have been dead no अगर वो नहीं होता
Dead or like
Like
worse.
this scene is something that stood out for me action sequences wise. The fire sequence I thought was very well done कि कहीं से अंदर जाने का नहीं रास्ता मिल रहा है फिर भी सुपर ह्यूमन है तो अंदर गया है.
Correct.
That whole scene with the kid कि she's like how can I trust you आग लगी है मैं मरने वाली हूँ but तू कौन है साले
yeah
डर लग रहा है. It's like Krish. He's about to say his name, he stops, and that's how that name sticks. Because
Yeah.
he's about to say Krish, he has hesitation, and he's like friend.
Hmm.
And that was
Yeah.
very heartwarming. I'm like, oh, that's so nice.
the baby was like मम्मी ने कहा था अनजान लोगों से अपनी जान मत बचवाओ
But friend से बचा सकते हैं. Friend है
से
तो ठीक
बचा
है.
सकते हैं।
Last में सिद्धार्थ आर्या shoots Priya, shoots dad. Slow motion, beautiful shot.
प्रिया के लिए गैस सिलेंडर
Runs,
और पापा के लिए
fire
अपना
extinguisher.
शोल्डर फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर
Throws fire extinguisher,
gas
gets shot.
I said
Yeah, don't throw gas
Great.
cylinders to
gas
save
cylinder,
people,
no,
guys.
I meant fire extinguisher
सिद्धार्थ आर्या बोलता थैंक्स यार ये तो सही कर दिया तूने आसान कर दिया.
Anything that hasn't aged well according to you?
Yeah, so yeah, these are the things
हाँ.
जो मुझे लगा कि मतलब I'm still gonna have the visual memory of the action
Right.
sequences. What hasn't aged well for me is unnecessarily having Nepali character for comedy relief
Yeah.
called Bahadur.
yeah
कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. They did the same thing with him that they did with Mansukh Hani in कोई मिल गया.
Yeah.
कि एक कोई ethnicity का बंदा हमें
Oh,
चाहिए.
yeah,
And it's like पहाड़ पे अभी तक हमने नेपाली कैसे नहीं दिखाया. The only Nepali I've seen actually in पहाड़ by the way in movies वरना वो usually security guard
हाँ,
वगैरह stereotype
हाँ,
करते.
हाँ.
And there he's only there for like
Sure.
that whole story of Kali Charan आया था, Sabzi and all of that he's doing. I think that was like
but
a
he
little.
still
fair
wasn't as Nepali as Johnny Lever in कोई मिल गया I think Johnny Lever was hamming it a little
वो
too much.
नेपाली था भी नहीं
Jenny,
उसमें
हाँ,
तब भी लग
Nepali
रहा
थे,
था.
वो सिंधी no?
सिंधी
था
सिंधी था but वो ज़्यादा कर रहा था सही बात
ज्यादा
है.
कर रहा था यार
But this guy did and I thought ये unnecessarily comedic relief के लिए ही डाला है कैरेक्टर तो वो नहीं मेरे को इतना सही लगा नेपाली कैरेक्टर
cool.
रैंडम.
Uh,
But yeah, that's
For me, I think I agree with Urjita. The story and screenplay has aged well. I think the concept of Krish, in the sense that it's the one superhero which permeated the pop culture space in India. I think today also, if a Krish 4 comes, people will go to see it because it's an iconic character.
Absolutely.
I remember kids going crazy over the action figures and water bottles and
Yeah.
everything for Krish. So I think as a superhero, Krish has aged well. What hasn't aged well, like I said, the music. I don't like the music for this film, which you guys don't agree with, which is fine.
That's okay, man. We are individuals with different tastes.
That's true.
Some of our taste is just better than
Better, I know,
the other
yeah,
person.
yeah,
That's
cool.
cool.
Cool. If you had to program a double feature with Krish, which one would you do?
What does that mean?
यदि क्रिश के साथ एक और पिक्चर अगर दिखानी हो तो कौन सी दिखाएं?
तेरे टाइम में इसके टाइम में डबल फीचर नहीं था
किया
क्या?
था,
कोई
किया
मिल
था,
गया?
भूल गया।
अच्छा ओके.
किया था?
किया था.
पता नहीं ये
I don't remember which one you said with कोई मिल गया, but yeah.
क्रिश के साथ अगर कुछ देखना हो द लेजेंड ऑफ हनुमान.
Fair. The one that came out this year.
No,
Oh,
Anurag
the
Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap one. Okay.
Hanuman Returns.
Hanuman Returns. Yeah, 2.
Back to back bangers.
Okay. Urjita, for you,
For me, I think Tarzan.
which one?
Wonder
Tarzan
car
the-
or like
नहीं, नहीं, the अंग्रेजी वाली Tarzan.
The-
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The animated one.
Animated one.
Okay.
Animated one नहीं. There's another non-animated
Yeah.
one also.
There
no,
are
जिसमें-
multiple Tarzans.
So like
yeah.
for simply for the reason where it's very similar, no, that
It
plot
is,
की
it
like
is, yeah.
शहर की लड़की जंगल के लड़के को शहर में लेके आती है और वहाँ पे वो उधर के तौर तरीके सीखता है, तौर तरीके सीखता है. So just for
तैर
that.
तरीकी.
तोड़ तड़के सीख
So
जाता है.
ताड़ पत्री सीखता है.
I'm surprised none of you said कोई मिल गया, guys. It's a perfect double feature. Watch the original film and then watch the sequel. Yeah, it's.
ठीक है आपने बोल दिया ना, हो गया अभी.
सबका अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव
सबका
है.
अपना अपना होता है.
जैसे मुझे लगता है क्रिश 4 में कंगना को विलन लेना चाहिए.
Krish 3 में भी वो villain ही थी ना?
हाँ.
हाँ. okay.
मतलब वो एंटी हीरो थी.
She played a snake woman, if I'm not wrong.
She played like a person who impersonates Priyanka and
She
then
basically
falls
played-
in
Mystique
love.
from X-Men.
She played a gory dementor, I felt, क्योंकि वो भी same चीज करे. She's trying to suck
Guys,
off
we're talking
his
about
energy.
member of parliament Kangana Ranaut. Okay, please be careful.
The MP of the highest order
Yes, of Himachal.
of the land
actually.
of Himachal. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, finally,
Mandi,
Anas,
mandi.
if you had to,
देखा कुछ नहीं. कुछ
मंडी,
नहीं.
मंडी,
अंडी
yes.
मंडी.
if you had to give a score to Krish from 2006 from 1 to 10 on a Has It Aged Well scale, how much would you score?
8.35, a good solid 8.35.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
I think 8.45 actually, if I'm
Okay.
being very honest. 8.45 out of 10. Yeah, that's
Okay.
my scale.
Nice.
ये जानबूझ के दिखा रहा है इसका मैथ.
I know, yeah.
8.457 if I'm being too accurate.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
it's just fluctuating.
मेरा
all
IQ
over
बहुत
the
तेज
place.
है, आपको पता चलेगा धीरे धीरे.
Root of 18.345678.
मैं टेक्स्ट कर
But
दिया था,
can
check
you can you solve a third standard boys maths problem?
if it's division, then I can't. But I can tell you
But
what
if
an
it's
amount
bringing
is.
together, then I can. Ojita, for you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think it has aged. It has 9, dude.
9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh,
Pretty
yeah.
high. Yeah.
Yeah. मुझे वो टुनु मुझे सब टेक्नोलॉजी पसंद आई भाई. आई एम तो बिग फैन. I loved everything. Yeah.
I would give it a 7. I think it's a good enough movie to watch even today. Some of the CGI has not aged well, but that's okay. It's 18 years old now, so that's fine. So, final score?
8.457.
8.457, 9 and 7. So, not a bad score.
Really,
Cool.
you wanna change your score because Rohit also has great
I didn't
genes.
change it. I said 7.
No, like you
हाँ.
wanna upgrade it because think about it. Rohit had great genes.
Yeah.
उसके बेटे के भी एक्स्ट्रा थंब है.
And the
ये
fact
ऐसा कब होता
that
है?
ये जो पूरा movement था ये it is a legit Sunny Deol dance.
No, guys,
step.
I'm not convinced.
You
I'll
still-
stick to 7. Yeah.
What about the songs? Do you think if we had
horrible.
the songs, oh shit, he'll take it down to like 4.
Actually, I do it 6.5.
No, my childhood.
No, 7. So I'll stick with
Abbas
7.
is doing this.
Okay, we're running out of time, so we'll do the alternate ending segment right now. Okay, so this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending other than the way the film actually ended. Or we pitch a sequel. Now, I know this film already had a sequel which wasn't very successful. But let's say if you had to make a Krish 4 or if you had to redo the ending of Krish, what would you do or how would you pitch a sequel? Do you have an idea?
Absolutely.
Urjita, do you have an idea?
No, please you go first.
No, I'll tell. I can start.
Huh.
Okay.
We know that Dr. Siddharth Arya knows how he's gonna die.
Correct.
But how we know it is कि उसने देखा है कि उसको glass shard लगा हुआ है and mask man is standing with the gun. But we still don't know कि if like he's gonna get killed or not. कि as in कि गोली उसको लगेगी कि नहीं लगेगी. So if I was to do it, I would do this scene about to be shot all has been brought down to this moment.
Yeah.
Suddenly, Krishna gets shot.
Hmm.
Turns around. Priya has shot him.
Oh.
She is Siddharth Arya's daughter.
Oh, wow.
Nice. I
And
like
puts
that.
the mask off and Dhoom Machale. It's actually Dhoom 3.
And
Nice.
she pays
Ending.
the homage to
I like
Aishwarya
that.
Rai in khaki.
Aishwarya was actually
Gar-
considered for this role, but she didn't
Oh.
end up doing. Amrita Rao and Aishwarya Rai were considered for it.
Oh, wow.
I like that ending. So you actually have a sad ending for Krish.
Yeah, it's a to be continued sort of with a
okay.
K, continued with a K,
Yeah.
of course. Because like
Nice.
in my head, then Rohit goes back to being a superhero and tries to avenge his son.
Okay.
So Rohit, okay.
Rohit will take up the
I'll
Rohit will
continue.
take up
I'll
the mantle.
continue
Nice.
my alternate ending with your ending. Okay, I'm fusing the two. So what if Krish मर जाता है? Okay, bye bye टाटा. Then Rohit आता है और फिर वो अभी ये मशीन है. तो जो बंदा अगर फ्यूचर मशीन बना सकता है, वो अपना फ्यूचर भी बहुत चेंज कर सकता है. So what he'll do is वो ऐसे मशीन ये करता है ना. So उसमें और वो टुनु कुछ ऐड करके अपना एज रिवर्स कर देता है. So now he has become young to fight Dr. Arya because the old him cannot do it.
Or he goes back in time
And does what?
and meets his previous like younger self, and together with his brains and his basketball skills
Okay.
from Koi Mil Gaya,
So-
they avenge Krishna.
So then instead of like getting old Krishna back by going back in time, he goes further back in time and brings.
He goes
a
further
replica.
back. वो पापा जो खुश हो गए थे सैटेलाइट देख के और एक्सीडेंट करा लिया था, वो भी बचा लेता है. Ceases to exist. No more movies.
Great, nice.
This is the end कि अपना ही खात्मा कर लिया मैंने. The fuck ज्यादा पीछे चलेगा यार.
Nice.
थोड़ा और पीछे जाता है. जिस रात रेखा और उसका पति सेक्स करने वाला होते हैं.
रुको.
उस रात उसके दूध में तीखा मिला के चला जाता है.
कि तू सुहागरात पे बोनविटा वाला दूध पड़ा था, उसमें मिर्ची डाल दी. Product integration of MDH.
Okay, I have an idea for Krish 4.
Yes.
Which is that Nasruddin Shah had actually made an evil clone of Rohit,
Oh,
which
nice.
nobody knew about. So this evil clone of Rohit will be unleashed in Krish 4. This serves two purposes. Hrithik gets to play a villain, and Krish is finally has his worst nightmare that he has to kill his own father in order to save the world.
Oh damn.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. That
But-
was our episode.
But have you watched Krish 3?
No, I haven't. Does it have that kind of that?
I'm not
strain?
saying anything.
Okay, we'll have you back
अभी
for
मुझे
Krish
भी
3
याद
anyway.
नहीं है.
I'm not saying
I don't
anything.
remember.
But maybe it does have something similar to
Oh,
what you
okay, now I
mentioned.
remember. Yeah. मैं बताती हूँ.
I'll
क्या
watch
है.
Krish 3.
Yeah.
For me, it doesn't exist right now, so I gave.
But
my
your
version.
ending is the most realistic because यही होता है Krish 3 में.
For Hrithik also, it doesn't exist right now.
That brings us to the end of the Krish episode. Anas, thank you so much for putting so much effort and
course, man.
coming for this episode.
Yeah.
Anything you want to plug? Where can people find you? Please tell us what you're doing.
You can follow me in real life. I'm quite approachable. And otherwise, I'm good. My Instagram is xdanas. I make weird comedy sketches on the internet. And I'm trying to push for 50K these days. So
Nice.
please, if you don't follow me,
What number are you at right now? At
I'm
the
at-
time of recording?
at the time of recording, I'm at 48.1.
Oh, okay.
I was at 48.2, but then 100 people were like, nahin,
नहीं.
nahin.
They were like,
So in case by the time this episode comes out, you've already reached 50K.
Then I will stop replying to all your DMs. Then have I aged well? I have.
Nice, cool. The link for Anas's Instagram will be in the description, so please click that and follow Anas if you aren't already. Urjita, where can people find you?
you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel at @Urjitavani and follow me on Instagram at @Urjitavani and come for my live shows at the rate wherever they are. So at the rate of 300 rupees only, actually. Please come. Love you.
Nice. And as Anas puts on his Krish mask to fly away, finally you can follow me on Twitter at Abbas Momin or at Abbas Momin88 on Instagram. If you're watching us on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, press the like button, share this episode with Krish fans, and tell us what you would like Krish 4's plot to be in the comments.
Yeah.
And yes, we'll be back next week with a new movie, and hopefully Krish will keep visiting us. But next week we'll have another guest.
Yeah,
So
we're
till
going to
then-
go now. We have to go match this mask and save a random kid who wants to walk
Yes. So
in Singapore.
I was like, that's a good point. Also, please tell us your Krish 4 plots in the
Yes.
comments. That would be lovely to read.
yes, and we'll send the best ones to Rakesh Roshan.
Yes.
We'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.